alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today, my lovely husband, may Allah bless him for me and for his kids.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you, everyone?
So today, actually, I have posted a poll, and I got so many people was very excited to know how to make Moroccan tea, and I'm very happy. Really, I'm very happy.
Yeah. So we'll show you today that how my wife prepares the Moroccan tea, and it's very good for health actually. And when I visited Morocco, we have seen a lot of people that it's like we drink tea in Pakistan, like every time, every probably after 2 hours. But there it's the same, like morning, afternoon, with every food. I mean lunch, dinner, yeah,
Yeah.
and breakfast, evening tea. It's same, like it's there in their culture. I mean this one, and the other thing is Moroccan bath,
Yeah.
Moroccan hammam.
This also for women. I will show you how to make Moroccan hammam. Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, it's a part of their culture, and it's to be honest, it's very famous all over the world. I mean, you go anywhere in the world, you will find in all of the coffee shops, they'll ask if you want to have Moroccan tea or not.
You know why we are drinking too much Moroccan tea? They have so many health benefits for digestion. Why digest? For digestion, for
It keeps you active actually.
yeah, it's keep active, and for maida problem also. If you have a problem in your maida, for constipation, for your kids, if for big also, it's and vitamin C also. There is
It has a lot of
there,
vitamin
yeah,
C.
there is lot of vitamin C. So, and the most important, the taste is amazing taste. So, let's.
It's very easy, to be honest.
Yeah, it's easy.
Within probably 2 minutes you can prepare. I mean, you need only boiling water. So yeah, we'll get boiling water and we'll prepare in front of you. Yeah, so boiling water is here,
And
and yeah,
for people who don't have this kettle, they can use any, even in the glass. You can do Moroccan tea.
but that's a traditional one.
But this is yes.
I mean, if you see, this is Moroccan tea kettle, and these are small Moroccan tea cups.
And this plate, like every
Oh yeah.
house, we should have this. It's not only this. There is so many shape. We should have all, because this is very important. If our guests come in, we should start with Moroccan tea. So let's start. So my water should not be cold. I will put Shay, what
I
you
think
call?
let's put this one first.
Okay. Look, I will tell you, my husband, he's really professional on Moroccan tea. When we are going to Morocco, he will make it for us. It's
So first of all, you have to put this pudina, I mean mint leaves.
when he was
Just-
saying first in beginning budina, he was thinking that he was calling me butaina, and I said, Happy, what you want? He said, no, it's budina, means nana.
And you can buy green tea from, like, normal green tea, green tea leaves. So open one, yeah. And with this much kettle, I mean, you have to put only just probably half tablespoon.
Yeah.
So otherwise it will be very strong. Maybe in the beginning you will not like it.
Exactly.
Uh,
Yeah.
And Moroccan tea is very sweet with mint smell and with mint taste. So
Yeah.
I mean, they drink it very sweet, but it depends on you. I mean, if you want to have a lot of sugar or less sweet, so it's up to
depend
your
exactly.
taste.
Yes.
But
So-
for them, they drink it very
Sweet.
Very sweet.
Especially me. But my husband, I will make 1.5 spoon. Okay.
No, I think one maybe one more.
Ah, he become like us. Ah, he become Moroccan. No, but actually he love Pakistan. He's pure Pakistani
Patriotic
man.
Pakistan.
No, mashallah, mashallah.
And the main part is, I mean, after everything you have like put up, then you have to pour this boiling water on the leaves and on the tea and on the sugar. So, and you can smell.
It's amazing.
This smell makes you wanting to drink this tea.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
We will keep for some time till the.
So, yeah, it can mix, you know.
Yes.
And
After we will enjoy, and I wish all of you was with us, because this is our time to drink our Moroccan tea, and whatever you have bread, you have biscuit, you have cake, so we can eat with the Moroccan tea. My husband has become professional. And really, I'm very happy. And there is so many people, they say, please, Busaina, let's see your husband and make video for your husband. I say, why not? Always my husband is with me, but behind the camera. So today he's front of the camera. I'm very happy. Alhamdulillah.
and they have a special way to, by the way, pour the Moroccan tea. They will take like this, and
Yeah.
this, so this the smell you can feel from very far, and
You can hear this. Oh my God, we are enjoying this voice.
water voice.
So I hope you like the video, and I wish all of you try, and keep in the comment how is the taste and how is the smell. So
Thank you so much for your support.
Exactly. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.